Today I want to talk to you about my favorites from Amazon. So I shop quite a bit on Amazon, and I found some things that I really like, and I saw a whole bunch of people doing Amazon favorites. So here's some of the things that I've bought this year from Amazon that I really like. Okay, so we're going to start with this backpack. What backpack, Mo? This doesn't look like a backpack. It actually comes with a little carabiner that you can attach, and it's super light. It's great for hiking, and if you're traveling, you can just pop this in there. If you need an extra bag, then it's right there. So the little carabiner can just attach to your bag, which is really awesome, and then it just pops out. This is actually my favorite backpack because it's super light and it pops out, and then boom, you got your backpack. It has like one big pocket, one medium pocket, a little tiny pocket. The inside pocket, that's the turns into the purse you carry it in, and two, not one but two water bottle thingies. Speaking of water bottles, also from Amazon. So this is my Life Factory water bottle. I go everywhere with this one. I had a bigger one, but now they have a new cap, this active cap, which I like even better because you can fill it from the water fountain without having to undo it. It's a glass bottle and with a silicone sleeve. Love, love, love. I've gone through several of these. And then the other thing that I really love, which has some stuff in it, is this organizer. I got it for like $1 or something. It's really good because I can just keep everything in there and just pick it out of my backpack and stick it in my other bag or whatever I'm using for that day. My EpiPen fits in it, which is like the requirement for everything I own now, is that my EpiPen fits in it. And it has tons of pockets, and it has snaps. So you can use it flat or you can use it bigger depending on where you're going. And I use it all the time, and it has stuff in it right now. So still in the bag category is this wallet. No name, whatever, but it has tons of pockets, and then right here it has a pocket for your phone, which is really good when you're going out. You can just pick this up. Only downside for me is that my EpiPen doesn't fit in it, but depending on where I'm going, I don't need to bring the EpiPen, so I might just go with this. And it has this cute little wrist strap. Hello. Alright, what else do I have? Okay, so moving on to like, oh, the camera. Alright, so this camera I got, love, love, love. This is my action cam. It's like a cheap GoPro knockoff, and for like around $50 you get it in this cute carrying case, and it comes with a ton of attachments and a waterproof case, which is like the main reason I got it, so I could do like water shots. You could see like tons of my videos I've shot on here. And it does videos, pictures, and it links up to the app on your phone, and it sucks kind of to download videos from there, but it does let you remotely turn this on. Well, not turn it on, but take a picture or a video. Now, moving on to what I've been buying most of these days is medical stuff. So we're going to start with tape. This is just PT tape. And I use this because I have like a hip issue, and sometimes for my muscle pain I'll use this. What else we got? We got my water flosser, which I really love because it stays charged for a really long time, and it's cordless, so you can just walk around with it. The only downside is I find like I need to refill it sometimes, but it works really, really well, and it comes with two of the attachments, which I already broke one, but you can order replacement attachment. And then we have this, like, technically it's a mister, but this really helps. I got it and I used my own saline solution in there, and I try to use it every day, and it really reduces the frequency of my asthma attacks. And finally, well, not finally, almost finally, is this little air purifier. It's super tiny, super light, and it's great for small spaces. It helps take out some of the stuff in there. I think I should be needing to change the air filter soon, but I have to figure that out. And then finally is my closet. You guys, I love this closet. It really helps because it's super humid here, and the material it's made out of doesn't really get moldy. I can store stuff neatly on the top, and it comes with these little stickers, so you can say what you have in there. I also use the stickers on the drawers of my dresser as well. Then you have the places where you can put folded laundry and that kind of stuff. And then you have the hanging parts where you can hang your clothes up. So you can hang your clothes up in these sections. And I like that you can pin stuff. So I have my uncle who died recently here, and my race tag, and I also hang stuff from it. So like my best friend made this tree of life for me, which I really, really love. And then I have a race medal hanging over here. It's really easy to put together, and yeah, I love it so much. So there you have it, folks. That's the stuff I got from Amazon that I really like. What have you gotten from Amazon lately? I'm going to put all the links for everything below in the description. And give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.